cmux is not trying to be a new model. It is trying to be the terminal where all your coding agents live. That is why this topic has a better chance than most repo videos. BetterStack already got more than 65,000 views on Claude Code plus cmux. Another comparison video around Conductor, Superset, and cmux crossed 36,000 views. So the demand is proven. The question for TechWealth Hub is whether we can package it better. The title should not be cmux explained. The title should be, I rebuilt my AI coding terminal with cmux, Claude Code versus Codex versus Gemini in one workspace. The first frame should show multiple agent sessions, not installation instructions. The source repo is manflow AI/cmux. At capture, it had nearly 16,000 stars and a fresh commit on May 1st. The README calls it a ghosty-based macOS terminal with vertical tabs and notifications for AI coding agents. That sentence tells us who it is for. It is for people already running Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, Gemini CLI, or similar tools and losing track of all the terminals. The README install path is also simple. Use Homebrew, tap manflow AI/cmux, then install the cmux cask. The repo proof is real. The clone had more than 1,400 tracked files and a large local footprint. This is a serious app, not a weekend wrapper. The workflow is easy to visualize. Open one workspace. Put one agent on the bug fix. Put another agent on tests. Put a third agent on docs or refactor notes. Then use vertical tabs and notifications to track what finished and what needs attention. That is the pain every AI coding power user feels right now. Running one agent is easy. Running several without losing context is messy. A normal terminal was not built for 10 semi-autonomous workers. cmux is trying to become that operating surface. This is also why the video should compare the experience, not just list features. Show the before state with scattered terminals. Then show the after state with one workspace that makes the work legible. The setup video should be honest. cmux is macOS first, and it is built around ghosty ideas. That is a strength for its audience, but it also means the viewer needs to know whether it fits their machine. The README highlights DMG as recommended and Homebrew as another route. We should show both source paths, then run the app path that is safest locally. If a full app launch is not practical during production, the video still has source-grounded proof through the repo, README, install commands, and public videos. But the strongest cut should include real app footage or at least real terminal output from the install and repo inspection. The viewer needs to see that this is a tool for operating agents, not a generic terminal theme. The deeper point is that the bottleneck has moved. Last year, the question was which model writes better code. Now the question is how a developer manages many agent runs without losing the plot. Claude Code, Codex, and Gemini can all do useful work, but the moment you run more than one, coordination becomes the product. You need sessions, notifications, history, tabs, and a workspace model. That is why cmux belongs in the next batch. It connects to proven search demand, it names familiar agents in the title, and it visually solves a pain people already recognize. It also gives TechWealth Hub a chance to compare real workflows instead of doing another thin repository tour. The limit is that cmux is not the brain. It will not magically make a weak prompt good, and it will not make every agent trustworthy. It is the workspace, not the worker. You still need good task boundaries, a review process, and a habit of checking diffs before merging. There is also a platform fit question. If someone lives in a different terminal or operating system, the product may not be for them today. That is fine. The video should be honest about that. The valuable claim is narrower. If you are on macOS and you already use multiple coding agents, cmux may be the cleanest way to keep the work visible. cmux should be the third video because demand is already proven. It is also an ideal bridge from our existing Conductor and coding agent audience into a broader terminal workflow audience. The package has to be sharp. Thumbnail, 10 agents, 1 terminal. Cold open, multiple agent sessions in one workspace. Middle, repo proof and install path. Final section, honest verdict on whether this replaces your normal terminal or just becomes the dedicated AI agent cockpit. That is how we avoid the current channel problem. We do not upload another generic tool review. We make a specific promise and prove it with real source material. The follow-up video should run a head-to-head workspace test. Same project, 3 agents, 3 tasks, 1 terminal cockpit. If cmux keeps the work visible and reduces context loss, it earns the title. If it does not, the video still gives viewers the truth before they move their workflow.